Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails on HubSpot. If you find this helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe before we get started. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing tools and features. After you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing. This will expand a submenu with several options related to your marketing campaigns. From that submenu, click on Emails. This is where all your email campaigns are stored and managed, and it's the section you need to access to send bulk emails to your contacts. Now that you're in the Emails section, you'll see a list of all your existing email campaigns. Browse through this list and find the specific email that you want to send out in bulk. Once you've located it, click on that email to open it up. This will take you into the email editor where you can review the content and prepare it for sending. With your email open, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Send To. Click on this button to begin setting up your bulk email send. This action will open up additional options on the left side of your screen, giving you control over who receives this email. On the left side panel that appears, look for the field labeled Send To. This is where you'll specify which group of contacts should receive your bulk email. Click on the drop-down menu next to this field to see your available options. This menu contains all the segments and lists you've created in HubSpot, making it easy to target specific groups of contacts. From the drop-down menu, find the segment you want to send the email to. Once you've located the right segment, check the checkbox next to that segment's name. This selects all the contacts within that segment as recipients for your bulk email. You can select multiple segments if you want to reach a broader audience, or stick with just one if you're targeting a specific group. After you've selected your segment, look up to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Review and Send. Click on this button to proceed to the final review stage. This step is important because it gives you one last chance to verify that everything looks correct before your email goes out to all those contacts. On the review screen, take a moment to double-check your email content, subject line, and selected recipients. Make sure everything is exactly how you want it. Once you're confident that everything is ready to go, click the Send button. Your bulk email will now be sent out to all the contacts in your selected segment, and that's it. You've successfully sent a bulk email on HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.